Okay, I'm going to run through install of ESXi. This is using the HP installable ISO. Currently, I'm installing this in VMware Workstation 6.5, but the steps are pretty much the same no matter what you're installing this on. First, you want to connect ISO to your CD and start the server up. The first time it boots, it's going to load. You see it starting up here. Pretty soon it'll get to the installation piece and ask us a few questions. You want to hit enter to install. Hit F11 to accept the licensing agreement. I'm going to choose the correct disk and hit enter. Then we're going to hit F11 to install to that disk. Now this install could take a good amount of time, so I'm going to fast forward here just to speed this up. Okay, now it's done. We're going to hit enter and reboot. Once it restarts, as you can see, it's going to load the hypervisor. Okay, DHCP is enabled by default, so you want to hit F2 to configure the ESXi system. First thing, we change the root password. The lockdown mode, you could configure this here, but we're gonna choose not to. If you use Virtual Center to connect to it, it would actually, you can do the lockdown mode at that step when you add in the Virtual Center. So we're gonna change the actual networking here. Like I said, by default it uses DHCP. We're gonna statically configure the IP address. Hit enter. Okay. DNS, you can configure your DNS servers here, and actually the host name as well. This that can also be done in Virtual Center. I'm gonna leave it alone here. Yes to save. Once you change the network, we will restart the management network services here. Hit F11, okay, enter, and we're done. You can hit escape to log out at this point if you want. And with that, we're done. So we're going to log into Virtual Center.